Hi students, many of you are great at the English grammar, but a lot of you want to know how to pronounce the words properly. So the only way to pronounce it is to begin with the basics, and the basics is the alphabet. The alphabet has 26 letters, and 5 of those letters is the vowels. The vowels are A, E, I, O, U, and sometimes Y. The English language cannot be spoken without those vowels. So today I'm going to start with the basics, and we're going to go over 6 of the letters of the alphabet, beginning with the letter A. Now A is a vowel. So the letter A, the short vowel sound is A, apple, alligator, ant. Apple, alligator, ant. The long sound is Asia, ape, April. Asia, ape, April. B, boy, bat, boat. Boy, bat, boat. C, can, can't, car. Can, can't, car. D, dog, doctor, don't. Dog, doctor, don't. E, now E is a vowel, and the short sound for E is egg, elephant, enter. Egg, elephant, enter. The long sound for E is each, eagle, eat. Each, eagle, eat. F, fish, finger, fan. Fish, finger, fan. And that is the first 6 letters of the alphabet. Have fun, and you can keep repeating this video over and over again as much as you can. And just remember, these videos are saved in the pictures in the group, so you can go back and refer to them as often as you like. Have fun.